If this lamp is shipped to a construction site, the replacement cost could be 10 times the price of the lamp itself. That's the biggest concern for most procurement professionals. If the price is low, will the defect rate be high? No. Low price doesn't mean low quality here. So how do we control the defect rate? Incoming material inspection. Housings, drivers, wires, screws. Every batch is sampled upon arrival. If any batch fails, the entire lot is returned. Double inspection during production. Our QC team conducts scheduled sampling and random patrol checks on the production line every day. On top of that, our sales team also randomly picks lamps from the line for testing. 2 layers of control. Aging test plus finished product sampling. Every lamp goes through power aging testing. Any that fail are rejected immediately. After aging, we do another round of finished product sampling. None of these steps can be skipped. We do OEM, ODM. For us, good quality is not just a slogan. It's a standard we stick to without compromise. We are a Trust Lighting, a Ningbo-based lighting factory. You are welcome to visit our factory.